Michael's in the trunk, and I'm gonna drive to a place where there's people, and Michael's gonna get out. This is Trunk Hunting.
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around.
Woo! Had to get some air. All right, let's go.
But we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go where we want to.
Oh, man.
We don't have time to get restless. There's always...
Oh, you know what? I put my money in my trunk.
Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around. But we're too busy singing to put anybody down.
Can you help me real quick? I just need I need you to close the lid for me. To close the lid for me. Can you close the lid for me?
Sure.
All right, thanks.
What are you doing in there?
I'm just relaxing. Can you close the lid for me?
Close for you in the trunk, man.
Oh, come on.
Nah, not a chance.
I'll be all right.
Nah.
All right, thank you.
We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Oh. Anytime or anywhere, just look over your shoulder.
You don't mind, do you?
What?
I just need you to close my lid for me. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Get in.
Yeah. If you don't mind, do you?
No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't like trying like setting up the...
Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around.
Help! Hey, let me out of here. Stinking dang trunk. Help! Hey! Hey! Help! Dang trunk! Help! Let me out of here! Help! Let me out of here! Hey! Dang trunk! Hello? Anybody out there? Anybody out there? What the heck? Oh man. Sorry, man. I was working on my speaker back here and I fell in the trunk.
Well, you got me. And usually I'm from New York. I'm from Brooklyn, man. And none of this never goes down.